Hey guys, Jet Teely here, and my Coyote grill is the leader of the pack because it can smoke, sear, and bake, which makes it the most versatile appliance that I have.
Oh, beautiful!
To say that I've teamed up with Coyote, and we're going to be giving away a Coyote portable grill, which is perfect for any occasion.
When I boil the pasta and we're using like all the burners inside, I have this one for outside too. So I pretty much boil everything right out here.
My Coyote pellet grill is the leader of the pack because it's the only all-inclusive grill that can smoke, grill, sear, and bake, effectively replacing my need for like 5 other grills in my backyard.
We're giving away an outdoor kitchen from RTA and Coyote Grills that you're gonna love. Can't wait to see you there.
Hi, this is Mike Sullivan, the head coach of the Pittsburgh Penguins. Just wanted to say thank you to Coyote Outdoor Living and RTA for bringing our backyard to life. You guys have made it a reality. Thank you.
My name is Tyler Cameron, and my Coyote grill is the leader of the pack because of this amazing sleek design and this beautiful new touchscreen technology. I love my pellet grill.